So what is a backdoor? The name backdoor is actually used because it is an post exploitation malware, and in case you have taken one of our course on metasploit, you already know what is post exploitation. So a binder is actually used to bind a malware, and once the attacker hacks into your system, he might install a backdoor to get a reverse connection. And a backdoor is simply something that allows the attacker to come back and take the connections again and take the access again and do stuff with your computer after leaving the computer. So in our next video we'll actually start with the types of malware analysis and the methodology used. So hopefully you will be there. Thanks for watching, guys.